traveling in cars. I have already covered most states of India by road. We have also driven our car into Nepal. Here is one more video of mine. माउंटेन्स देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा कि मैं किस जगह पे हूँ. This is my first Ladakh trip. It is so beautiful that I want to keep coming again and again. This is one of the best places to visit in India. This is Ladakh. ये हमारा 10 दिन का ट्रिप था और इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे हम कहाँ गए थे. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं वो चांगला टॉप है. बहुत ठंड लग रहा था और हाथ कांप रहे थे. We could not even take pictures. बर्फ भी गिरने लगा था. This is the third highest motorable mountain pass in the world. It lies en route to Pangong Tso Lake, a popular tourist attraction in Ladakh, and is a must visit during a bike trip in Ladakh. Chang-La Pass is located at an altitude of almost 5,000 meters and gets its name after a famous saint called Chang-La Baba. This is a must visit place for bike trip. लेकिन हम अप्रैल स्टार्ट में गए थे. Tanya, today we have come to Sangam. This is Indus and that is Janskar. They both meet here together, so that's why this place is called Sangam. This is the view of Sangam from top. Sangam is at 11,500 feet from sea level. हम नीचे भी गए थे and we also touched the water here. Sangam is the confluence of Indus and Janskar rivers in Ladakh. Sangam Valley is a 48-kilometer drive from Leh. It is located 35 kilometers from Leh in Nimmo on the Leh-Srinagar highway. The two rivers can be separately seen by meeting at this point. While the Indus River appears as shiny blue, Janskar River appears muddy green. We visited Ladakh in April 2022. This is the majestic Maitriya Buddha Jampa, one of the finest attractions of Ladakh in Nubra Valley. It is 32 meters tall. This statue is one of the best attractions of Diskit Monastery in the village that goes by the same name as the monastery. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आते हैं फोटो लेने के लिए. You can easily spend 4 hours to visit and explore Diskit Monastery. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. पहाड़ पे कितना बर्फ गिरा है. मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगा. रास्ता थोड़ा सा खतरनाक तो था लेकिन it is very beautiful. And the road was like dangerous, but still it was like the best experience yet. चारों तरफ पहाड़ है. And while we are going on the road, it felt like every side we were covered by mountains. While you enjoy the beautiful view, let me tell you some interesting facts about Ladakh. और कुछ बातें जो मैंने बहुत enjoy किया मेरे लद्दाख ट्रिप में. Ladakh has the largest telescope in Asia. If you ever heard that gods live in mountains, it is true. The Indian Astronomical Observatory in Ladakh boasts the largest telescope in Asia at an astounding height over 4,500 meters. This makes Ladakh a hub for stargazers and astrophotographers. It is India's first robotic and the world's largest telescope. It is located in the remote village of Hanle.
It's me, Tanya. Now we are at the magnetic hill. The special thing is that when you turn off your car and put it in neutral, automatically it will go towards upside. Can you see? We are at the magnetic hill. I'm excited.
एक और जगह जहाँ मैं गई वो है the magnetic hill. It is a land where gravity fails. The magnetic hill, or the so-called gravity hill, is a hill that pulls you upwards. Interested to know the science behind it? Well, the hill is a downhill road. The surrounding slopes are carved out in such a way that it creates an illusion of an uphill road. It is located on the smoothly constructed Srinagar-Leh highway. You can also visit Indus Janskar Conference, Hall of Fame and Gurudwara Pathar Sahib while you are on your way. Technically speaking, the magnetic hill of Ladakh is an optical illusion. Although it looks like an uphill route, it is actually downhill. So, if you leave your vehicle in neutral and turn off the ignition, it would look like your car is being pulled uphill. हमने भी ये टेस्ट किया था और गाड़ी अपने आप started moving.
Experience the wonder. KNT.
KTN.
KTN. So guys, remember to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Last village of Ladakh. According to facts, the last village of Ladakh is named Turtuk. It is the endpoint until where tourism is allowed by the Indian Army. Post that point, the entire region is sensitive and no tourists are allowed to go. हम यहाँ पे गए थे and we paid respect to the Indian national flag at the border of India and Pakistan here. From here, we can see Pakistan village across the river.
कौन है?
Ladakh has the highest bridge in the world, located between Dras and Suru rivers. The Bailey Bridge is the highest in the world. It was originally made by the military to migrate quickly through the rivers during wartime. A hydroelectric dam is situated to the left of the bridge, while there is a lake on the right.
Ladakh has the highest motorable mountain pass, Khardungla Top. The world's top 3 motorable mountain passes are located in Ladakh. The highest of all is Khardungla Pass at the height of 5,359 meters above sea level. Every adventure lover who visits Ladakh makes sure to try a mountain ride or drive along this route. हम खारदुंगला पास गए थे 4th अप्रैल 2022 को. आपको पता है 4th अप्रैल को क्या स्पेशल है? लेट मी टेल यू. 4th अप्रैल को मेरे मम्मा का बर्थडे है. लास्ट ईयर 2022 we celebrated my mom's birthday at Khardungla Pass, the highest motorable road in the world. Ladakh also has highest desert in the world. Katpana Desert is the highest desert in the world, located 2,226 meters above the sea level. This desert runs between Khaplu Valley and Nubra Valley, Ladakh. Do you know that the snowfall is the major water source in this desert? Another interesting fact about Ladakh is that here females are taught Kung Fu, while movies have focused on male Kung Fu masters and warriors. Ladakh teaches Kung Fu to monks and nuns equally.
How beautiful that building is, and it is surrounded by mountains everywhere. Some have snow and some are sand.
Ladakh is a land of the rare twin-humped camels. When in Ladakh, be ready to be greeted by the numerous rare twin-humped camels. These twin-humped camels are a native of the Gobi Desert. Another interesting thing about these camels is that they can survive in up to the lowest temperature as nearly as minus 40 degrees.
The idiotic one.
हमने उसके ऊपर बैठा था और वो बहुत मुलायम था और उसका नाम था सोलांग. Cuisines of Ladakh are popular for their uniqueness and mouth-watering taste. One of their great tastes is mokthok. It is a combination of momos that are sorted in different soups. Another very tasty food is thukpa. मुझे तो थुक्पा बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. लद्दाख से वापस आने के बाद मैंने यहाँ बहुत बार थुक्पा ऑर्डर किया. Even we ordered thukpa on our Nepal trip also. लेकिन जो टेस्ट लद्दाख का थुक्पा में था वो जबरदस्त था. सबसे बढ़िया थुक्पा आप लद्दाख में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. Ladakh has largest national park in the country. The Hemis National Park of Ladakh is the largest national park in the country, covering 4,400 square kilometers of wildlife, located to the west of river Indus. This place is famous for snow leopard, blue sheep, Tibetan sheep and others.
This is also the right place to enjoy bird watching. Top birds to spot in this region are brown ancestors, robin ancestors, red-billed cocks and Himalayan snowcocks.
Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.